Hi, I hope you are doing well. Today there are plenty of online courses advertising to make you a programmer, make you a web developer, make you a web designer, make you a accountant professional, and many advertisements about online courses. They are advertising as even a school dropout, even a college dropout uh, can become a professional, can have a career, can become a professional by studying these online courses. I'm going to discuss about how far this is true, how far this is possible in practically. Okay, say, can you become a programmer by studying these online courses, 60 hours, 40 hours, 100 hours of courses, uh, and become a programmer and become and have a career? You are a school dropout, you are a college dropout. Is it possible for you to do it? I don't think so. You cannot become a programmer by studying PHP, Java, Ruby on Rails, Python, Node.js, Perl, anything. Just 40 hours, 50 hours courses, and you cannot become a programmer straight away. We have a tradition, 10th plus 2 and 4 years of college degree or 3 years of college degree. Say if you are an arts and science student, then you will have 3 years of college education. If you are a professional or engineering student, then you will have 4 years of college education. Is this system necessary? Is the system is valid? If these online courses can give you a career within 1 month or 2 month courses, I don't think so. It is not true. Why? Because in order to understand the teachings of online courses, what is taught in online classroom or online courses, in order to understand it, in order to grasp it, you should have a foundation, a basic knowledge. Otherwise, you cannot understand whatever taught in the classroom. The foundation, the basic is missing. Without the foundation basic knowledge, you cannot straight away join the online courses. You can join by paying the fee, that is okay, but you cannot understand anything. The money is wasted, the time is wasted. In India, uh, you know that there are tutorial colleges, tutorial centers, private teaching centers. They advertise as you can pass 10th standard. If you are failed in 10th, you can pass. In that tutorial, a 10th failed student can join and study 10th again and pass it. A 9th dropout can join and study 10th and pass it. A 5th dropout, a person who has not gone to school at all, can join this institute and pass 10th. I don't say it is not possible. It is possible, but the effort and duration are not same for all the students. A 9th dropout and 10th failed students can pass the can understand the teachings syllabus of 10th standard, but the 5th dropout, as person who has not gone to school at all, they cannot understand whatever is taught in the classroom, whatever taught in the tutorial about the 10th syllabus. They cannot grasp it. They have to undergo the foundation training. They have to spend years in, maybe 2 to 3 years in studying, understanding foundations. The person who has not gone to school at all, he has to learn alphabets, grammar, maths, fundamental maths, everything. Then he has to study 10th standard. Okay. For example, if you are joining a spoken English class, how many can be successful in attending spoken English? Say a person who does not know alphabets, who does not know grammar, who does not have vocabulary can join a spoken English course and get benefited. It is not possible. He has to learn alphabets first, grammar, and increase his vocabulary. The person must know at least thousand words of common usage words in day-to-day life to speak in English. Then only the spoken English course can be successful to him. Otherwise, he cannot. The same way, in order to get benefited from online courses, online training, online career, I mean that online, become a programmer by studying online, become a web designer, web developer by online. It's not possible unless you have a foundation, basic understanding, basic knowledge required to understand, grasp the online courses. Say Photoshop or Paintbrush can use to draw pictures, designs. By knowing the menus, tools, commands in Photoshop and Paintbrush, can everybody become a designer? No. The person who has the aptitude, creativity can use these tools better. I give you a canvas, brush, paint. Can you paint a picture immediately? No, it is not possible to everybody. The person who has a artistic aptitude or the person who has a proper training can draw pictures in canvas. Otherwise, having the canvas, having the tools, having the brush, having the paint doesn't make you a designer. Okay, the same way this is applicable to online courses also. If you have the basic understanding, basic foundation required to grasp the teachings, what is taught in online classes, the course will be useful. Otherwise, the course will not be useful. Your money is wasted, your time is wasted. I will speak about the foundation, basic understanding, basic knowledge required to cope up with the online courses in my next video. As of now, my verdict is that without proper foundation, without proper basic knowledge, you cannot become a programmer by studying online courses alone. Thank you. Hope this video is useful.